Today on Currie Explained, our 71 to 76 Chevy Impala Currie 9-inch rear end. Hey, what's up guys? I'm Jon Henson for Currie Enterprises, and we're talking about our 71 to 76 Chevy Impala or Caprice 9-inch rear end. This is a crate rear end that's fully assembled in powder-coated satin black. When it's fully assembled like this, it's going to measure the exact same as stock. So meaning from wheel mount surface to wheel mount surface, from the face of the brake to the face of the brake, it's going to be the factory 65 inches. If you wanted it narrower than stock, you can order it that way. Feel free to call. We can build it custom. We can take up to 2 inches off of each side. Why would you want to do that? Well, maybe you're building a donk. Maybe you're building a drag race car. Maybe you're building a lowrider, and you need to run a different wheel offset than what would fit stock. We can work through that with you and make sure that you're set up. Disc brake options are going to start with our Currie Explorer brake. It's loosely based on a Ford Explorer brake. It's 11 inches in diameter and fits most 15-inch wheels, or can actually fit a wire wheel with a reverse offset. Upgrades from that are going to go from Wilwood to Baer brakes and increase in diameter from 11 all the way through 14-inch. If you needed help at choosing the correct brake for your application, don't hesitate to reach out, we'll help you. The factory crate rear end is going to come standard with a 31 spline axle shaft. We say that's good up to about 650, 700 horse on a street tire. If you're going to be drag racing, or if you need an axle shaft that can put up with a lot more twisting force or pounding, for example, like a big wheel car or a lowrider, we would recommend an upgrade to a 35 spline axle. Center sections are available with an open differential, although not common. Usually going to be the Currie twin track, Eaton true track, or a spool, all of which are options to you depending on how you use your car. If it's a lowrider again, or a drag race car, or anything in between, let us know. We'll help you choose the right differential. All of the bracketry is welded in the factory location. So this will bolt up right underneath the car like stock. It puts the drive shaft back in the factory location. Your upper control arms will bolt to these polyurethane bushings that we supply. Your coil springs can go in place. If you're going to run a coilover conversion, the bracketry that comes from the suspension company should fit just like stock would. Standard on our Currie 9-inch rear ends is going to be a drain plug on the bottom. On the third member is a fill cap. This style of housing is called the Centurion housing. The oil capacity is going to be 3 quarts of our 85-140 weight Currie non-synthetic oil. Highly recommend running that because it is specially formulated for a Ford 9-inch style gear. Gear ratio options are going to be available from a 3.0 all the way up through the product offering of a 9-inch, which is one of the beauties of a 9-inch because there's a lot to choose from. We can dial your vehicle in based on the engine and transmission combination that you might be running. We're happy to suggest gear ratios, or if you had a gear ratio in mind that you don't see, feel free to reach out. If you have any questions in regards to this particular rear end or any of our rear ends, feel free to send us an email, give us a call, or leave a comment below.